Hi, I'm Digvijay Sharma, Senior Director Sales at Ciena India. As India accelerates its 5G journey, B2B and B2B2X applications are emerging opportunities for telecom companies to reap returns on 5G investments. Private 5G will be an innovation engine for enterprises and an accelerant for IoT, Industry 4.0 and Edge Cloud. Telecom companies must set their eyes on benefits of 5G in terms of opening new revenue streams, lowering total cost per bit, while dealing with implementation challenges of increased cost and complexity associated with lack of adequate infrastructure, capital-intensive network augmentation, and high spectrum prices. As operators look for cost saving, Ciena has stood up with use case-based solution innovation, supporting virtualization and network slicing, delivering on power and space savings, creating an open ecosystem. Our solutions ensure operators generate maximum ROI by opening new revenue streams and providing a broader supply chain. With more than 15 years of presence in India, Ciena is a key contributor to all Tier 1 operators here. Keeping Indian telecom companies in mind, Ciena will be manufacturing select routing and switching products right here in India, which will help improve ROI by reducing overall TCO of networks. Ciena's local R&D and geographic expertise, now combined with local manufacturing, will be a key to gradual and successful 5G network deployments and fulfill our government's Make in India vision.